My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be. And I have 62 moons that rotate around me so free. The Romans gave me my name after their king of the gods, because my size is so massive in the sea of the stars. Callisto, Europa, Ganymede, are my 4 biggest moons found by Galileo. I'm the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. 10 hours equals 1 day. My days as short as they come. It takes 12 Earth years for me to orbit the sun. That makes 1 year on my surface. That's a really long run. I am Saturn, 6th planet from the sun. I'm known for rings by everyone. I'm the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. Out of my 62 moons, 53 are named. I am a gas giant, all astronomers claim. 36,184 is my radius in miles for you to explore. 10.44 meters per second you drop. That's my gravity pulling towards my surface top. 10 hours and 39 minutes long is a day on my surface. Let's sing this song. I am the Uranus and I have 13 rings. Come sing along and learn about me. Oh, I am the Uranus, the 7th planet from the sun. About 17 hours is just 1 day on me. I have 27 moons named after Shakespeare characters, and I have 3 rings that you can clearly see. About 8,400 is 1 radian year. In my seasons, that's about 20 years each. Negative 350 is my average degree, and will you ever show up to discover me?